Hi, boys and girls. Today I wanted to talk to you more about telling time. Yesterday, we practiced telling time to the hour. That seemed a little easy for us all. So today, we're going to be telling time to the half hour because clocks don't always look the same, do they? So for today, here's something that you need to know. Every hour has 60 minutes in it. We talked about that yesterday. So if I start here and I count all the little lines all the way around the clock from start to the finish line, there would be 60. So today we're going to chop that in half, just like this clock over here, and we're going to see how many minutes there are in a half hour. There's a little clue right here. We could count them. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. There's 30 minutes. So if the minute hand on the clock starts here at the starting line and it counts 30 minutes, we call that a half hour. So today we're going to practice using the hands. Yesterday we talked about how these black lines are called hands, not like these hands, and they help us tell the time. The hour hand points right to the hour for us. That's nice and easy. The minute hand, see it's stretching really tall. It's trying to reach these little lines around the clock because those stand for the minutes, and the minute hand is trying to reach them and count them for us. So you can see up here, this is where I put the starting line. Every new hour starts right here at the 12 at the starting line and then counts the minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just like we did on the last page. We talked about how there's a second hand on some clocks too. Usually it's red, usually it's really skinny, and it's pretty fast. So yesterday you told time to the hour, and that's when this minute hand is reaching for the starting line, right at the tippity top. And then the hour hand points to the hour for us. Nice and easy. Today we're going to take a look at how the clock changes from o'clock to 30 minutes after. So on this clock, you can see that the hour hand points right at the 1, and the minute hand is reaching for the starting line. It's ready to count those minutes. On this clock, though, look at what happened to the hour hand. It's not right on the 1 anymore. It's past the 1 because it's already been 1 o'clock. Look down here. It says 1:30. That means 30 minutes after 1 o'clock. So it's a lot like this 1 o'clock, but it's gone 30 minutes past. So this minute hand counted 30 minutes. It went tick, 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 30 minutes all the way to the bottom here. So this time we say is 1:30. You know it's not 2:30 because this hour hand hasn't even hit the 2 yet. And if you said 2:30, that would mean it would be 30 minutes after 2 o'clock. That doesn't make any sense. Let's look at this page. So the clock on the left shows 2 o'clock. The hour hand is pointing right at the 2. This minute hand is stretching for those minutes so that this minute hand can count the minutes, start that race. 0, 1, 2, 3. When the minute hand counts 30 minutes, it changes from here, from the starting line, all the way to the 6. Now it's 2:30. and that means 30 minutes after 2 o'clock. You can see that the hour hand is not right on the 2 because it's already past 2 o'clock. On the next page, this side says 8 o'clock. You can see that right here. And remember, this means 0 minutes after 8 o'clock. So here's 8 o'clock, and here's the minute hand reaching for the starting line to start counting those minutes. On this clock, you can see that the hour hand is not pointing right at the 8 anymore. It's kind of in between here, but it's not on the 9 yet, so you can't tell me that it's 9:30. Here, I say it's 8:30. So the minute hand it started here at the starting line and it counted 30 minutes and ended up here. So I know that it's 30 minutes after 8 o'clock or 8:30. This clock right here, it's kind of tricky because both hands are pointing at the starting line. This time is 12 o'clock. The hour hand is pointing at the 12, and the minute hand is reaching for the starting line, ready to count those minutes. On this side, you can see that the hour hand is not right on the 12 anymore, and you can see that the minute hand is on the 6. It started on the starting line, and then it counted 30 minutes all the way down here to where the star is. So it's 30 minutes after 12 o'clock. And you can see the 12 here, and you can see the hour hand after the 12. But remember, it's not after the 1. If it was after the 1, it would be pointing somewhere here. So I can't say that it's 1:30. It's 12:30. So I hope you learned how to tell time to the half hour. We're going to be doing lots of practice because it could be a little tricky. Before I leave you today, I want you to think about this one thing. If you looked at this monster's clock right here, would you be able to tell the time on this clock, even though it doesn't have numbers? How would you do that?